Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the mandatory documents and logging into the KSEB portal. You need the consumer number and meter number from the latest bill. These identify the connection. Once done, scan and name PDFs clearly so uploads match form fields. Make sure the new owner's ID and the signed sale deed, or NOC, are legible, because the system validates file names and sizes. Then you sign in with your credentials, open the application for ownership change section, and start populating the form. You'll now fill the detailed application fields, enter the new owner's name, contact, PAN or Aadhaar, and the connection specifics carefully to avoid rejections. Once you input every entry, upload matching PDFs to each document slot and attach a digital signature if requested. This speeds verification. Next, choose the online payment option and complete the application fee transaction. Retain the transaction ID. After payment, submit the form. The portal will generate an acknowledgement number you should note for tracking and future communication. Finally, you track the application status using the acknowledgement number until KSEB completes verification. They may schedule an inspection or ask for clarifications, so check messages daily. Once verified, the authority updates ownership and issues a confirmation. Then you download the amended contract and ensure bills show the new owner. If the portal shows delays or errors, raise an online grievance and attach screenshots. Escalate via the consumer care number if no response within the stated timeline to avoid stalled transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.